Hi, welcome to Swindells Hall, which is our main science building on the UP campus. Here you'll find biology teaching labs, faculty offices, a seminar room, and dedicated research labs where UP students work with faculty on their long-term projects, like researching how gut microbes affect behavior. Some of the incredible spaces we have in this building include a cadaver lab, a digital imaging lab, a tissue culture lab, a radioisotope suite, greenhouses, an environmental analysis room, and so much more. The hands-on research conducted here relies on cutting-edge resources. We have equipment for DNA amplification and analysis, cell fractionation, enzyme kinetics, gas chromatography. We even have a new spinning disc confocal fluorescence microscope, a rarity among undergraduate teaching institutions like UP. This allows our research teams to gain insights from high-resolution images of living cells and tissues. All this and so much more at the University of Portland.